Students, can you see the PowerPoint slides?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, thank you. Okay, so now the next type of distribution network is a distributor storage with last mile delivery. Okay, so this is quite interesting, and all of us, okay, not most of us, I repeat, all of us have experienced this type of a distribution network, distributor storage with last mile delivery. And for that intermediary, we also call him a distributor. So distributor or retailer delivers. Okay, so these are the terms interchangeably used. Generally, in semester one, how we learned manufacturer, distributor, retailer, and customer. So distributor means wholesaler. Okay, but here in supply chain, distributor term is also used as a synonym for retailer. So those who are attending the classes, you should remember this. You should not go back to semester one. But if both are present, then you should mention manufacturer, distributor, and retailer. So then it will be clear that distributor means wholesaler. But if we say manufacturer, distributor, and customer, that does not mean distributor in between is a wholesaler. Okay, he is nothing but a retailer who delivers directly to the customer. Should remember this. So distributor or retailer delivers the product to customer's home instead of using a package carrier. That is the only difference. So here the retailer or distributor, or let us say use the word intermediary. The intermediary himself makes home delivery of the products directly, and he or she does not use a package carrier like Blue Dart or Federal Express. Okay, so I hope you know the companies Federal Express and Blue Dart. Students, are you aware about these two companies?
Yes, sir.
Federal Express and Blue Dart.
Yes, sir.
There is one more company, UPS also. Okay, they are called package carriers. Okay, so when you receive the orders, okay, to do your door home delivery, most of the times it might be any one of these companies, or sometimes the company like Flipkart or Amazon also may have their own package carrier business. Remember,
Even this DFL is there in courier service.
DFL, DHL or DFL?
That international courier service.
DHL, I think it is.
Yes, sir.
DHS, sir.
DHL, not S. DFL or DHL?
DHL, sir.
DHL, correct. DHL, right. Okay. So they are multinational companies. Federal Express, UPS, and DHL are multinational companies. Blue Dart is a homegrown company, but I think it was acquired by Federal Express, if I'm not wrong, in India. Okay. Okay. Anyway.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. Anyway, so now let us see how this distribution network works. Okay. Remember again, dotted line represents information flow, that is orders, and the solid line represents product flow. Okay. Now let us say there are 3 customers in an area. These are my neighbors, Dr. Shrikant. Okay, so this is me, Dr. Mahesh, in between, and next to me is Mr. Terence. So we are neighbors. Okay, so all of us, okay, are customers of HP, Supreet Gas Agency. Okay, is a distributor in Dharwad to our ward. Okay, ward wise the distributors are different. You should know that. Okay. So in one Dharwad, one city alone, there will be more than one distributor because the number of connections are too many, and equal number of connections are generally, okay, more or less provided by the company to each distributor so that they can balance the business. I hope you all know, right? You all use LPG gas, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You receive the home
Yes,
delivery
sir.
of LPG cylinders.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember
Yes,
the name
sir.
of your gas dealer?
Varchis.
For example, any 1 or 2 students? Okay, you don't know.
Lakhani Gas Agency.
Who is that? Vaishnavi, right?
Revankar Gas Agency, sir.
Sharan says Revankar Gas Agency, his home delivery. Then Vaishnavi?
Sir, Lakhani Gas Agencies.
Lakhani Gas Agencies, very good. Okay, now that Lakhani Gas Agency or Revankar Gas Agency, or in my case Supreet Gas Agency, the distributor or retailer, the intermediary. Let us see how this works. Okay, so that is why I told you. Okay, when you go home, whenever you have time, please go to okay, vegetable market, fruit market, go to nearby kirana stores, okay, do shopping. It will give a lot of exposure, okay, and it will enable you to help some of the management subjects also, especially like marketing and supply chain. Okay, anyway, now how we place an order. Earlier it was a telephone order. We used to call and book the order. Now, okay, there is a SMS booking. Okay, sorry, not SMS booking. We make a phone call and then it asks for us to press 1 to book and refill of the LPG gas. So once I press 1 in my mobile phone, the order is placed for refill of a LPG gas cylinder. Then I receive some details in SMS related to my order. Mostly next day. In our case, in my case, very next day the order is delivered. So let us say all three of us have ordered from okay, same day and from same gas agency. See how this works. Okay, Supreet Gas Agency, I'm sorry, the dealer for IOC, Indian Oil Corporation in my area, okay, in my ward. So this dotted line represents order or flow of information. So Dr. Shrikant, Dr. Mahesh and Mr. Terence, we all place order using a mobile phone, okay, with the Supreet Gas Agency. Okay, now from where Supreet Gas Agency will receive the filled LPG gas cylinders? From IOC. Okay, there is a refill plant in Dharwad of IOC, Indian Oil Corporation. You should know that. It's very huge in Belur industrial area, Dharwad. Okay, so from the factory, the filled LPG cylinders, okay, are received from Supreet Gas Agency, and Supreet Gas Agency will have a warehouse where this agency will store the inventory of filled LPG gas cylinders. So when we place an order, a van comes, okay, and it goes for delivering all the orders within a given area. Now for this purpose, okay, so they use, for example, from manufacturing plant to the Supreet Gas Agency, the filled LPG gas cylinders are transported in truck, okay, big truck. So usually the load will be full truckload. Okay, so it brings down the transportation cost. But when the gas agency delivers the LPG cylinders to our home, it doesn't come in a truck. Remember, it comes in Tata Ace mini truck. Okay, so that way again the transportation costs are reduced. Okay, so the Supreet Gas Agency Tata Ace mini truck comes to our area and it goes on supplying. It goes to the Dr. Shrikant's house first. Okay, supplies the cylinder, then moves to next Dr. Mahesh's house, supplies the cylinder, then moves next to Mr. Terence's house and supplies the order. That is what we call it, a distributor storage with a last mile delivery. So distributor storage, filled LPG cylinders are stored in dealer's warehouse. The delivery is made by the dealer himself, not by a third party package carrier like Blue Dart or Federal Express. Okay, and they go on supplying all the orders, okay, in the same area. So this is called as last mile delivery, means delivering directly to the customer is called as last mile delivery. And this is called from one home to another home as the van goes on delivering the orders, is also called a milk run. Okay, it's also called a milk run. Okay, so anyway, any questions here? So the good example what I gave is the LPG cylinder distribution in India follows distributor storage with last mile delivery. Okay, so how you think in developed nations, whether they follow this type of a distribution network? You don't need to have general knowledge for this. You need to have common sense. Whether let us say America, Japan, such developed nations, UK, do they follow this kind of a distributor storage with the last mile delivery? Yeah, anybody who would like to comment? Say where American customer, Japanese customer place an order with the cylinder company, gas cylinder dealer, okay, and the van comes with the refill to refill the cylinders. Does it happen that way? What I'm talking is also what I'm talking is also happening in India, but just for whitewash it is, just for show off. In some areas it is happening. Yes, Ashutosh. Yeah, Ashutosh, you can share.
No, sir, it won't happen in
Yes,
foreign.
it won't happen, I believe.
Tell me how LPG gas is distributed in developed nations.
Sir,
this
there
is
will be
something
around,
different.
supply chains like tunnels, and there will be pipelines, sir, gas pipelines.
Piped,
As
it is called, okay, piped. The way we received piped water in India, Tap water we call it, no? The piped water. Same way electricity we receive through wires. Same way LPG gas is also received through pipes. Pipeline it is called. Okay, in India also it is happening. Okay, like Bombay. Okay, I don't know what
So even in
Bengaluru.
Pune also, sir.
Pune, but very few parts of India. Yes, LPG gas is distributed using a pipeline. So there, this distributor doesn't come into picture. Huh? This is about knowledge. You should also know this information. Okay. So let's see some points related to. Now we learned how distributor storage with last mile delivery works or functions. Some points related to this network. Requires higher levels of inventory than other options. Okay, because the distributor or intermediary has to hold inventory of finished goods, and there will be many distributors across the country. But compared to the retail storage with consumer pickup, the inventory will be lesser, because the number of retailers will be much more, millions, than the number of LPG distributors. Suitable for relatively fast moving items. Yes, definitely I would say LPG gas cylinder is a fast moving item, no doubt about it. Bulky products for which customer is willing to pay more for delivery. So when we pay the LPG gas cylinder price, that also includes the transportation cost for home delivery. Huh? You should know this. No cost is borne by the manufacturer or by the intermediaries. Among all distribution networks, transportation costs are highest because it is last mile delivery. Home delivery is made to the customer. That's why transportation costs are highest. Then response time is faster than using package carriers, because the distributor himself arranges for the transportation of the goods within a given territory, usually in the same city. Remember that. So last mile delivery is somewhat less expensive in large, dense cities where the population density is more, especially urban area we are talking. If you divide the Indian market into urban market and rural market, urban market is what we are talking. See, homes are very next to each other. So within a radius of 5 kilometers, you can find thousands of houses. But if you go to a village, okay, to find out some 1,000 households, you might have to travel for 50 kilometers. Okay. So remember, last mile delivery is somewhat less expensive in large, dense cities. Dense means where population is high. Okay, in most of the urban cities have dense population or higher population. So this type of distribution network works economically in such high populated cities. Rural markets, it is more expensive because the population is scattered over a wider geographical area. Population density is low. You can understand that. So any questions here? Distributor storage with last mile delivery.
No, sir.
Okay, good. So today there is some interaction. So keep it up. Huh? Do not let it go again. 1 minute.
sir.
Let me just check how many slides are remaining. Depending on that, I will decide. No, I think I will discuss these things in the next class. Okay, that is at 2:30 today, and I should be able to complete the chapter. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ask me. We have about 3 to 4 minutes left. Anything you would like to ask?
No doubts, sir.
Okay, good. Then any information you would like to share? Okay,